waiting? Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Oh, dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures.
See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over. I never expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And there's a hesitation, idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in rags. Then against my intentions, I let you turn me violent instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else.